Snapchat was built to enhance relationships between friends, family, and the world. To get started, download the mobile app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter information, including your name, phone number, email address, and birth date. Create your username, but choose wisely. You can only change this once a year. Because Snapchat has been built with privacy and safety in mind since the very beginning, users under 18 must be mutual friends before sending snaps or chats to each other. And friend lists are always private. One of the easiest ways to find your friends on Snapchat is by using the Add Friends feature. Tap the icon in the top right corner to search a friend's name or username. Tap Add beside their name to add them. Let's take a look at how to navigate Snapchat. Getting around is easy. Just use the 5 tabs in the action bar. You can also tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner to access your profile and settings. On Snapchat, the camera is where it all begins. So, why send a text when you can send a snap? Tap the camera button to take a picture, or press and hold to record video content. Add a personal touch with our creative tools. Tap the Save button to keep your snap for later, or tap Send to share it. Swipe up from your camera screen to access Memories, where you can view your saved snaps, tap into your camera roll, and more. Ready to share your snap? Select the friends or group chat you want to send it to, or post to your story, which is a collection of the snaps you've taken. Remember, you can always change your privacy settings at any time to update who can view your stories and for how long. The Chat tab is where you can view messages from friends, send a snap or Bitmoji, and more. Currently, messages and other media are designed to be deleted after 24 hours, but users can also change these settings at any time. You can also create a group chat with multiple friends. Check out your world on the Snap Map. See what friends are up to, post stories, or tap on a hotspot to see what's happening across the globe. On the map, your location sharing is off by default. We call this Ghost Mode. To share your location with friends only, you can disable Ghost Mode at any time. The Stories tab is where you can check out content from friends and family, subscribe to your favorite creators, and tune into shows. Shows come from trusted media partners and creators. Discover the world of Snapchat on Spotlight, the most entertaining snaps from our community, all in one place. Content submitted to Spotlight is proactively moderated, and we have specific guidelines in place to ensure Spotlight is a fun, positive, and safe experience for everyone. At Snapchat, we're always enhancing our platform and adding new features. To learn more about the latest updates, go to snapchat.com.